Alright, and 17 Elite. Thank you, everybody. Good luck. We gotta do a box of Don Russ after this, too. Do the good stuff. Good luck, everybody. You don't open stuff, I forget how to open it. Baez, 49. Doyle, Rodriguez, DL Hall out of 25. That's Golfer. Luciano out of 50. For Paul, an international. I saw the new, yeah, I don't know. Not really a fan. I don't know what I'm doing here. Look, Castro and Rincon. Torres, 149. Rincon out of 75. For Reds. And the Dodgers, Garcia, purple. Peterson. Rucker. Fox and Adams. Out of 94 for the Rays. Evan Steele. For Ace and the Royals. Junis, 150. We could try a 6-person. Hurtado. Trenton Kemp. For Rain and the Red Sox. Cooper out of 75. For Reds and the Dodgers. Fernandez, 99. Merrill. Soto. Robles out of 99. For Degard and the Nationals. Ramirez. For Golfer and the Orioles, Clement, 75. National Champs, thank you, Red. Do you think 6-person... Man, what would 6-person be? 6 would be over 500. Tomorrow there'll be more Asia. We'll see. If it doesn't look like it's going, I'll try a 6. I don't know if I'll go tonight. Definitely Friday or Saturday to go. Washington, Pearson out of 50. That's Golfer in the Blue Jays. Quinn Brody. For Rain or Shine in the Mets. Hurtado, 99. Have a good night, Tommy Boy. Matt Sauer. Hernandez, Nick Gordon out of 25. For Hawks and the Twins. Valerio out of 50. For Supercards and the Pirates, Luciano, 200. Morgan Cooper, Kirtley, Honeywell, and Kopech out of 99. That's Cubs and Rays. And Tuna for D-Guard and the Nationals. Mackenzie Gore, Jerez, Jose Hernandez, 10 out of 10. For Paul, an international, Marinez out of 35. For Golfer and the Marlins, Jonah Todd out of 100. Tommy Doyle, Ramirez, Gillespie, 99. For Poop Truthadoop, Brian Mata. For Rain and the Red Sox, Romero, 49. Anything out of the top 4? I'm gonna say 4, right? Yankees, Cubs, Red Sox, Dodgers, Reds, Braves, Robert, Rock Riggio for USA. That was Makers. Palacios, 150. Hernandez, Dykeman. That was rain or shine in the A's. Jacob Pearson. Something Papa. Yeah. Kirtley, Garcia out of 99. For KJ and the Rangers, Tommy Doyle. For Crowley and the Rockies, Diaz, 75. Joe Adell out of 100. For Kenrick and the Angels, Boychuk. For Makers and USA, Hernandez, 200. Did Arroyo really drop off? Ramirez, Maitan out of 49. For Enderdale and the Braves, Matt Tabor. For Kenrick and the D-backs, Waters. That's why. Yeah, that's why I'm not going to do PYT. The Braves would be crazy expensive. So it'll have to be, well, pretty much a team draft. Who hit KJ? Maiton out of 99. Gingery for Makers in USA. There's no way random teams be over 100. Garcia, Dykeman 25. Has Rain or Shine. Flores for Makers in USA. Fairchild, Connor Wong, Casey Mize 99 for Makers in USA. Vlad out of 25 for Crowley. Matovich 75. 100 spot filler. Luciano Pavin Smith out of 75 for Kenrick in the D-backs. McCarthy for Makers in USA. Freeman 100. Austin Beck. Murphy. Willie Adams 149 for Poop Truthadoop. Tommy Doyle for Crowley out of 50. And Tillo. $254. Man, it's this Mercado, Junis, Rogers for Golfer and the Marlins, Cooper for Reds and the Dodgers, Lutz out of 75, Burks, Pawson, Dominic Smith out of 25 for Rain or Shine in the Mets, Ramirez for Golfer and the Orioles, Mauricio 200. Downs, more John, Bader and Oviedo for Hawks and the Cardinals, Ernesto out of 50 for KG and the Brewers. Let's 150. Netzer, Nick Allen, Basabe for Brewer Fever and the White Sox, Colton Hawk for Golfer and the Marlins, Shane Baz, Nick Allen, Gillespie out of 49 for Poop Truthadoop, Bryce Johnson out of 75 for Rogue One, and Brian Mata out of 25. His base is doing 600. Only team he'd pay $750 for Chicago. Enlow, Urseg, Tanner Houck. For Rain or Shine and the Red Sox, Blaine Enlow. For Hawks and the Twins, Denond, 150. Prado. Fernandez, J.P. Crawford out of 10. This patch, who's that? That's Hawks and the Phillies. Mata out of 75. Beltran out of 100. Vientos, Fabian, Torres and Adams. For Degard and the Yankees, Quinn Brody. For Rain or Shine in the Mets, Chavilli out of 25. Yeah, nice. Yeah. 10,000 for an orange. Crazy. Miles Straw. For Derek and the Astros, Dylan Busby out of 25. For Supercards and the Pirates, Brian Miller. Peralta, Austin Voth out of 99. For Degard and the Nationals, Buddy Kennedy. For Kenrick and the D-backs, Pavin Smith out of 100. Reserve auction the Braves. We could do that. That's not bad, Red. Laura and White. Maitan, 149. As Anderdale. Gorman for USA and Makers. Reserve auction the whole thing. Dykeman, 75. I think we'd be here a while. As Rain or Shine. Pilkington for Makers. Kevin Merrill to 25. Luke's. Garcia, Shoemake out of 99. For Makers. Spencer Howard out of 100. For Hawks and the Phillies, Corbin Martin. Royce Lewis. Candelario. Hyera. For KG and the Brewers. Diaz. For Makers in USA. Acuna. Garcia. Kopech, 99. As Brewer Fever. Tyler Buffett. For Kyle and the Reds. Alright, box 8, good luck. Busby and Fowler, Willie Adams, 149. For Poop Truth a Doop. Helpin' and good luck. It is Jerez for International. That's Paul. That's from Paul. Denond. Castillo. Drew Ellis. For Kenrick and the D-backs. Menefee. For Makers in USA. Paredes. McKay. Lamas. Laura, 99. For Paul. International. Tabor. For Kenrick and the D-backs. I mean, 17 wasn't too bad. Valera. Pavin Smith, maybe every 3 cases or so. I guess it depends on how many rookie autos they put in there. That's Kenrick and the D-backs. Woolfolk. For Makers in USA, Will Crow. Rogers. Antuna. Senzel. For Kyle and the Reds, Fairchild. For Kyle and the Reds. No, 18 will be... There's some decent names in 18. Some good names, actually. Sub-4 ERA and 20 home runs. Man, if he can do that. I watched his first start on Sunday. It wasn't bad. He couldn't throw a strike down low, but... Hauk. For Rain or Shine and the Red Sox. Blake Hunt. For Renegade and the Padres. Vasquez, 150. Hall. Laura. Tom DeBlock out of 10. That's KJ and the Tigers. Jimenez. And Melendez. Evan White, Holloway, Garcia and Guzman. For KJ and the Rangers, Ernie Clement. For Bepo and the Indians, Flores, 200. What do we need here? Cubs and Mariners. I think only two teams haven't hit yet. Garcia, Chivilli. Interesting auto. KJ Harrison. For KG and the Brewers. Luke's. Candelario, Dominic Smith, 49. For Rain or Shine, Brendan Murphy. For KG and the Brewers, Rucker. Alright, last box, good luck. Acuna. Garcia. Trevor Rogers out of 10. For Golfer and the Marlins. Melendez. For Ace and the Royals. Marte out of 10 for International. Warmoth. Bryce Johnson. Nice. Robles. 4 out of 10. For D-Guard and the Nationals. Vasquez out of 25. For Paul. Gavin Sheets. 200. Pearson. Marinez. Oviedo and Bader. For Hawks and the Cardinals, LeCastro. For Reds and the Dodgers, Blake Hunt. Berger, Aguiar, Beltran, International. For Paul. Blake Hunt out of 75. For Renegade, Palacios out of 99. Kendall, Florial, Tyler O'Neill out of 49. Need a Cubs hit. Is Bryce Johnson for Rogue One and the Giants. I think that's the closest we've come to everybody getting hit. Alright, it was Robles, DeBlock, Guzman and Garcia, Adams, Senzel, Maitan, Kopech, Crawford, Adams and Torres, Smith, Maitan, Kopech and Honeywell, Adams, Robert, Maitan, Gordon, Torres, Fox and Adams, Trevor Rogers, Melendez, Vasquez, Bader and Oviedo, LeCastro, Beltran, Hunt, O'Neill, Johnson, Hauk, Hunt, Jimenez, Clement, Chavilli, Harrison, Smith, Murphy, Ellis, Helpin, Menifee, Laura, Tabor, Woolfolk, Smith, Fairchild, Jerez, Gorman, Dykeman, Pilkington, Shoemake, Howard, Hyera, Diaz, Buffett, Hauk, Enlow, Mata, Brody, Straw, Busby, Voth, Kennedy, Rogers, Cooper, Ramirez, Oviedo and Bader, Ernesto, Basabi, Hawk, Gillespie, Johnson, Gingery, Dykeman, Flores, Mize, Vlad, Smith, McCarthy, Doyle, Riggio, Dykeman, Pearson, Garcia, Doyle, Adele, Boychuk, Tabor, Pearson, Brody, Valerio, Antuna, Hernandez, Marinez, Gillespie, Mata, Hall, Luciano, Rincon, Steele, Kemp, Cooper, Robles, and Ramirez. Let me do a random here for the duel. Somebody give me number 2 through 10. This is for the Kopech Honeywell dual jersey. Two times. There's 1 and 2. Going to the White Sox. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for filling that up.